Hello everyone, this is Ekta Takrani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video, I have given the introduction of the geography chapter 4, climate. Right, so in chapter, I have introduced the chapter with all the topics. Now we can move ahead with the new topic, climate and weather. I told you that the two terms are not synonyms, right? Climate and weather are different. So now let us see the difference between the two in a tabular form. First of all, I will define the term weather. That will make you understand this term climate in a better way. Weather is the state of the atmosphere, the atmospheric conditions for a short period of time. Okay, of a particular place for a very short period of time is a weather. Atmospheric conditions, like we can say whether it is hot, whether it is humid, whether it is cloudy. Like this we define the weather conditions of an area. When we join all the weather conditions of a bigger area for a longer time, the sum total of the weather conditions, the average of these weather conditions for a long time or a longer area, okay, for a large area and for a longer time, it can be 30 years or more. When we take out the average of the weather conditions, it is known as climate. Okay, so in simple words, weather is for a small area for a short period, and the atmospheric conditions for a long period or a bigger area is known as climate. Okay, now we will come to see the elements of the weather and climate are same. When we say weather is like hot or cold or climate is hot or cold, the elements are same. We are talking about temperature, we are talking about the humidity, we are talking about the precipitation. But elements are same, but the two are different, we have seen. As the weather conditions fluctuate very fast, very often they fluctuate, even within a day or hours. Like early morning, you suppose you have planned for a picnic today and it's raining early morning. So you will be disappointed, right? So what you can say or you can expect that we are hoping that the weather will be okay in the evening and we can go for outing. Means weather can change within a day. After few hours, weather will change. But climate is static for many years, for decades. Climate will not change, okay? And even the climatic change is not experienced also because it is average for a long time. So it is not minutely experienced. Weather can be experienced, that now it is hot and evening it is cold. Like this we can experience the weather. Then, so I hope weather and climate is clear. Then weather, as I told you, weather changes very often, within hours or within a day. But sometimes what we do, the weather conditions for a long time, for a week or month. When the weather condition, the sum total of weather conditions for months, we are generalizing them together, average we are taking out and we are calling it season. Every time weather is not changing after hours, but the average of few months, 2-3 months, or we can say, suppose 2-3 months, the weather almost remains cold. It's not very hot, it remains cold, very cold or less cold. So that will be winter season. Similarly, if it is hot and humid for a long time, so the sum total for months is taken as summer season. So first is weather. The generalized weather conditions for months is known as season. And when the whole, for years, many years, more than 30 years, the sum total of these conditions, hot or wet or temperature variations, all these are brought together and it becomes climate. Okay, so I hope the term weather and climate are clear. And the distribution of seasons also. Now we come to understand that climate is for a bigger area. Okay, so the whole world is divided into different areas according to different climatic regions. Okay, so now the question comes, what type of climate prevails in India? So the answer is, we are having monsoon type of climate. Here, the term monsoon is not a rainy season. Okay, monsoon is the word given to the winds, the movement, the reversal in the wind system. You know, you have experienced this while you are cycling. If you are cycling ahead and from backside wind is coming, what it does, you will be more comfortable in riding the bicycle. But if the winds are coming from front side, you have to put more stress. The opposite winds are coming. Similarly, when the different invaders, they were coming to India, and you have studied in history, different outsiders were coming to India from the water bodies. So they have understood this phenomena of winds. Like winds are going towards the land from sea, and from land to sea, and from sea to land. Like this, winds are moving. Once they are going from sea to land upside, then they are coming down. So reversal of the wind system is known as monsoon, and this reversal of wind system is only bringing rainfall in our country, and it is affecting the climate of our country. Okay, so like this we are having monsoon type of climate. As a whole it is called as monsoon, but still in general we can say we are having monsoon type of climate, but still there are variations. If we will see the elements, temperature and precipitation, it varies. There are wide variations in temperature. Somewhere the temperature goes to 40 degree 50 degrees Celsius, and somewhere it goes to minus 45 degrees Celsius. So temperature varies. There are regional variations. If Rajasthan you will go, it's very high, and if you'll go to Jammu Kashmir, the temperature is very low. So the temperature varies from place to place. Similarly, precipitation. Precipitation means the coming of moisture. When the moisture comes down on earth is precipitation. So what we have seen in the Himalayas only, so snowfall is there. That is a form of precipitation. Snowfall comes in the upper parts of Himalayas. But in our country, rest of the country, what takes place? Rainfall comes. And that also is not static or similar. It also varies. Somewhere it is very high, like 400 centimeters in Meghalaya, or if we'll go to Rajasthan or Ladakh, it is as less as 10 centimeters. So there are variations in temperature and rainfall also. This is all we have seen in our country. Okay, now one more very important fact is mentioned here is the coastal areas. Near the coastal areas, they are not experiencing very harsh climate. Near the water bodies, the temperature is not very high or it is not very low. Because near the water bodies, the winds, they are having the tendency to moderate the temperature. To moderate the temperature of the area. So they are not allowing the temperature to go very high or to go very low. So they are not experiencing extreme temperatures. So this is about the coastal areas. So these are the things affecting our monsoon. Next we'll come to the different factors affecting the climate in the next video.